breaking news is back to accompany your morning with me, Qori Salsabil with reliable information. And this is the complete news. Heavy rain that has been pouring down on the Garut area since early morning has caused Garut State High School 6 to be submerged in floodwaters today, Friday, October 4, 2025. The floodwaters, which reached the height of an adult's knee in several areas of the school, reportedly disturbed the teaching and learning process. Flooding hit the area of Garut State Senior High School 6, inundating dozens of classrooms, teacher office, and the school file. Water levels are estimated to have risen 50 centimeters in the worst hit area, particularly on the ground floor of the building. The flood directly impacted hundreds of students as teachers and school staff. Learning activities were forced to stop. Flooding began inundating the school grounds around 7 a.m. Western Indonesian time. Just as new students were arriving, the flooding peaked around 9 a.m. Western Indonesian time. After nearly 4 hours of continuous heavy rain, the effect location is at Garut State Senior High School 6, specifically in the low-lying area of the school, which is adjacent to the main water channel. The gutters and drainage channels around the school are unable to accommodate the high volume of rainwater. The flooding is thought to have been caused by prolonged extreme rainfall. Furthermore, poor drainage system in the around the school, along with possible trash accumulation in the gutters, were the main factor contributing to the overflow and infiltration of the school ground. The school immediately coordinated with the Garut Regency Regional Disaster Management Agency. The students have been sent home for their safety, and cleaning staff, assisted by teachers and several students, are currently cleaning and draining water from the classroom.